Alright, we're trying Emely's Cafecito. This is how she... I got the carrot cake latte, strawberry sago, and mango sago. We're gonna try it.
And I'm gonna try this one first. ¿Es gelatina, Chu?
It's not gelatina.
Yeah, that big ass piece. The gelatina.
It's like hard gelatina. It's good.
It is gelatina. La bolita sabe muy bueno.
What do you rate this?
8. It's kind of, I don't like mango, but somehow this is good.
Try this one. That's good, right?
I don't like strawberries. It is good.
This is like an 8. That's like a 10.
9. This one 9.
But this one's better? This one's better.
It's just like it's sweet. This is more so.
Okay, now the carrot cake latte.